Hello and welcome to the Stamp Shop Manager training video on using the chart of accounts. In fact, what we're going to do today is learn how to add to the chart of accounts. Now just quickly, we'll look at the reports, and then under General Ledger we have actually the existing chart of accounts, and you can look at that chart of accounts either on the screen or print to paper. But in many cases you'll see your assets, liabilities, expenses, etc. In many cases you'll want to augment the existing chart of accounts with special chart of accounts that meet your business needs. So we would go to Accounting, and then from Accounting we would go to New Account Wizard. From here we can add a new entry to the chart of accounts. So the standard numbers would apply as far as ones being assets, liabilities, expenses, payrolls, all of those kinds of things. Check with your accounting professional if you have any questions in regard to what you need in your chart of accounts. Once you know what you need, you would come to the New Account Wizard to actually create the chart of accounts. So in this case, I wish to create a new expense account. So this is going to be 6251, and in my case this new account I need to give it a description, and this is going to be expense for air travel. In most cases your expense account might be just travel, but again refer to your accounting professional. The type of expense, the type of entry I should say, is going to be an expense. Could be an asset, a liability, equity, revenue, expense. So if we were entering a new sales transaction account, it would be revenue. If we were entering new information that we have in our bank, maybe we've put money into a new deposit account, that would be a new asset, etc. Okay, so in my case this is an expense. And then the account group. Now you can create additional groups, cost of goods sold, etc. In most cases, for us, the general other expenses is where we will fall. So I can create as many of these as I wish. So I will create one more, and this will be 6252, and this is going to be other travel, because we wish to track them separately. Again, it is an expense, and again it falls into other. Now, I'm done. I'm going to click the next button. This will allow me to confirm, so I'm going to look carefully and make sure that these are what I intended, and both of them I do wish to actually create. So I must check the box next to each one I actually wish to create. The currency is coming from your standard. Whatever you've set is what this will be, though you can create charts of accounts that fall into other currencies depending upon what you're doing. Next, this is one final confirmation. I need to make sure I'm looking that the numbers are correct, the descriptions are correct, and that the account group is correct, and then I click on Finish. Once I do that, the chart of accounts is updated. This account now exists for me to create debits and credits to. I hope you found that easy.